If it looks like a step back in time, I might just have.
You just made.
Rainy day, but we had to come out so we could just see a little bit more of Osaka because today is our last day in Osaka. So we decided to come and visit the Osaka castle.
Kanpai.
Oh, kanpai to you.
Today is our last day in Kanazawa. You probably already saw the footage of the older district that we went and visited today. Right now we're having our last meal in Kanazawa, and it's our second time in this restaurant because this place is delicious. I will put the name of it here. Your dumplings are so good, and it feels more like you're eating tapas because you're ordering a lot of small dishes. Super affordable. The food's delicious. The drinks are delicious. I have a highball Coke. Yours is a highball? Beer. Nama biru. Some of the different food that they have here. So of course, we have the edamame, and you just kind of bite the bean out. I don't know. I also have cucumbers. You can dip in miso sauce. It's so good. Just cucumber and miso sauce. Delicious. I scratched my hand yesterday in Osaka. 2 days ago in Osaka. It stings. Here's a little bit more of our spread. French fries, potatoes. They put really good, like, I don't know, pepper on here. It's good. This is cheese dumplings. And regular dumplings. The cheese, though, this is the first time. Is it cheese on the inside or just cheese on the top? Okay.
Cheese could go on anything, right?
Very true. It makes it just even more delicious. So I'm currently in a Japanese convenience, 7-Eleven. Always gotta go to 7-Eleven, unless you're going to Family Mart, which is also good. But I'm trying to decide on which ice cream flavor I want. Could you help me? Their ice cream flavors are unbelievable. Like, they have banana ice cream. If y'all are sleeping on banana flavored stuff, y'all need to wake up, because banana flavored stuff is so good. Cafe au lait flavor. I love cafe au lait. These matcha cookies, I've already confirmed I'm getting these because I had the sakura flavored cookies yesterday. They tasted kind of floral, very sweet, but I'd rather try a new flavor this time. If it looks like a step back in time, I might just have. Right now we are at an onsen and we're up in the mountains. Like, when we were driving up here on the bus, it's completely snowed out here. There's so much snow. It's snowing at the moment outside. So this is where we are currently staying. It is a onsen and this is our suite. Let me show you around. Come check it out. Cool thumbnail, I thought, you know. Okay, come on, check it out. Okay, so you start right here at the door. There it is. That leads out to the hallway where you can go and main lobby. You can go to the main lobby and the other hot springs that are out there. I probably can't do it though because I have tattoos, but they do have private ones. So we're gonna try and snag some private time if we can. Right here, we have the bathroom, of course, bidet, as always. Cute little sink. Right here, we have our bedroom. Got 2 nice beds here, so that way I can fully spread out. And what? Who's that? Oh, hello. Looks like we had a visitor there. Oh, he's back. Look how nice he looks too. He looks so nice. Konnichiwa. Oh, cutie. We have our 2 nice beds. Your spindly tin TV. Really nice in here. And then let's go to where Justin's hanging out. So we're just gonna open up this door here. Just gonna slide those 2 on back. And this takes us to our main living space. And oh, there he is. This is the main living space with the couch right there. You can open up the window to look outside. It's really pretty. I'll try to get a view of it for you in the morning because at the moment it's dark. You come in here to another sort of kind of like bathroom area. What's up? Hey. We thugging it out up in the north of Japan. Was good. Okay, anyways. So we have our other little bathroom area here, and this leads to our own private little, what do you call this? Like hot tub? What would be the appropriate name for this? An onsen tub. So right here we have, once you open up that door, you have our onsen tub. Justin drew a little heart right there for us. And, oh, who's that? We got a peeper.
It feels really good in here. It's nice and toasty. We already got in there and we were just kind of relaxing and chilling in there. I actually had to turn up the cold water just a little bit because it's really warm. It's not hot, it's just really warm. You'll definitely, you'll be cooking. Even now, like just having the door open and walking in there just now, it was pretty warm. Yeah, this is a very beautiful space. I'm so glad that we get a chance to check it out. And yeah, tomorrow we'll be going back to Tokyo. So we are going to get every little bit of enjoyment out of this place. They have free drinks, which means free beer. Yes, I'm not lying. They have free beer. They also had like whiskey sour, that's free. Soft drinks,
Coffee.
Wine.
Get free ramen at 10 o'clock.
We're gonna stay up and we're gonna go to the free ramen at 10 o'clock. Yeah, that's it. Cool. And we're just gonna relax a little bit more before we have to head back out tomorrow. Peace. Kanpai.
All my life.